How to send a message to multiple people on Facebook Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message to multiple people on the Facebook Messenger app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Messenger app. And then once you're on your Messenger app, you have to tap on this pencil icon here in the top right corner. And then here type the name of the people that you want to send the message, and then to select, tap on them, and after you have selected the people, if you want to select more, you can tap on this plus and then add more people. And then after you have done adding, to send the message, here you have to tap on this message box and write the message you want, and then you have to just simply tap on send, and the message will be sent to the people you have selected. And so this is how you can send a message to multiple people on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching.